From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the euro and the pound. And as you can see, the euro has pulled back to turn around only to show a bullish candlestick. And at this point, this is pretty much the daily routine. We rally and then we break down. We break down and then we break up. Algorithms are all over this pair right now based upon the Brexit nonsense. So you have to look at it from a longer term standpoint. And although this is very bullish looking, we've seen this more than once. We've had these types of rallies every couple weeks. So this is just more of the chop that we have been in for about 20 months now. You can see I just can do it time and time again. So really there's no point in trading this pair from anything more than a longer-term perspective unless you have the ability to day trade. Above, I suspect somewhere around 111 is when the sellers will come back in, and I'm going to pay attention to that level. In the meantime, if we break down below this hammer, that would be an extraordinarily negative sign as well. The British pound has taken off to the upside on a long laundry list of headlines out there. And if there's ever a poster child for an overdone move, this is it. So, to put some perspective in it, you can see that we had this massive sell-off back during the 2008, or I could even go further with this whole Brexit thing starting here. I mean, look at how far we fell. 2,000 pips. Well, we took back a huge majority of that before falling again. So I think that's possibly what we may see. Now, there's two scenarios that play out as far as I can tell. We either get a slow and steady pullback, and we can be buyers based upon maybe like a 50% fib or the 200-day EMA. It'll make itself known when it happens. We could break 128 and continue to go higher. I'm just not willing to chase a trade that's up 700 pips in really 3 trading days. You can take this trading day out completely. To me, that's just a bit much, especially when it's 700 pips counter trend. So if you're buying up here, you deserve what happens to you, because more than likely you're going to lose a couple hundred pips because something will come out to rattle the market, or there will be profit taking. The biggest problem I have with this market is that, quite frankly, it just wouldn't take much to rattle it. A negative headline comes out and you could find 400 pip loss almost immediately. So with that in mind, I have to wait for that pullback. If we get that bad news, if things blow up, and that's still a real possibility, this is going to be a sell probably right back down to here at the very least. So must be cautious.